Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Southaven RV and Marine, right here in Southaven, Mississippi. Now we're going to take a look at this one. It's a 2026 Alliance Delta, model number 274 RKW. So let's get started. The length on this Delta is 31 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 7,420 pounds with a hitch weight of 870. GVWR of 9,250. And I'm just going to tell you, I don't think you need to put a half ton with this one.
No, it's going to be a little bit.
This is pretty long and it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit heavy, but hey, if you guys are looking for an awesome couples camper, definitely come check this one out. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. Starting up front, of course, they have it covered up, but it does have a power tongue jack. Your propane bottles are going to go under this cover, and your batteries will mount back here. And I'm trying my best to talk over Guns N' Roses because I don't want to get dinged for anything. But here they have an awesome sized pass-through storage.
This is really good.
Yeah, it is. Your flushes are going to be in here.
And your slide out, so you can run your slide outs from standing out here.
Yes, which is great because then you can see just exactly how close you are to a tree. Yeah. It is wonderful. They do have a filtration system in this one. We'll show you that wonderful table over there from the other side.
You do have access back here also.
Yes, they give you the access panels in case you need to do some service work. You can get to it. Now this is going to have manual stabilizers, which I'm a little bit surprised that they put manual on it, but oh well, that is. This first slide is going to be a slim rack slide. And then your next one is going to be a rack and pinion slide. You do have a dump area right there, and I don't know if this is going to show up because it's kind of dark, but there is a sewer hose caddy back there.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. And let's see, your black tank is going to be right under here. There's a pool right under there, and there's actually a light right next to it. How cool is that?
Now that is pretty slick.
That is nice. Yeah, so we are really liking this floor plan, and so we think you guys will too. Hey, again, we are inside at Southaven's showroom, so if you want to come up here and look around and see what they've got, not only do they have RVs, but they also have watercraft. So if you if you want to come and check out a pontoon or a ski boat or a bass boat or something, they would be more than happy to see you guys. All right, here we are back at the rear of the Delta, and they're going to have a really nice ladder to access your roof. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera, and you're going to have a receiver hitch, so this is going to be for an accessory rack, but not for towing. Now here on your campsite, a nice little compact outside kitchen. It's going to give you a mini fridge and your Greystone. This is a combo something.
It's a griddle and griddle. Yeah, griddle and grill. Yeah.
I don't know that I've seen this on one of them yet.
And I'm not going to say nothing because Amanda turned her TV off.
Well, I just pushed the button. I didn't know it was going to go to snow, so we'll fix it before we leave. Quick Connect is going to be right down below it.
And I do want to say, Asdale, they have composite Asdale on the sidewalls and in the floor.
Yes. The awning on this is going to be 18 feet.
Yes.
So nice size awning out here. No, the bicycle does not go with it, but if you have one, look how great it looks sitting next to it. Awesome. Yes, we did try to point out the sewer caddy, but it is actually built in extra long. So if you carry two hoses, because sometimes you need them, it'll all fit. Other side of your pass-through storage, it does have a switch up here for your front cap lights. Your awning can be pulled out, and then they give you a table up here and somewhere to store it, which is amazing. So it's up, you don't have to unload your whole pass-through storage to get your table out. Love that.
There's your hose there for your quick connect.
Yes. All right, guys.
All right.
So let's go in and take a look at this one. All right, coming in.
Shoe garage right there.
You're going to see that you can kick your shoes off right as you come in the door. And this is going to be an awesome rear kitchen layout. Now, our personal camper is a rear kitchen. It's a little different layout than this, but we love them.
This is fantastic.
I'll tell you what, let's just go ahead and start right here as you come in the door. Your dinette and entertainment is all going to be kind of right in one place, but you've got some storage over here. And this looks like a 40-inch TV. I believe I'm right on that one.
50.
Oh, a 50.
Ain't it?
I don't know.
I don't know. Did you not measure it?
No, I didn't measure it. I measured the bed.
Oh, I'm sorry.
While he's getting that out,
it is a 40.
see, I was right.
And also, got a great comment the other day. We were nerds.
Yeah,
So-
somebody called us nerds, so thank you. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Really, I don't care.
You know, you got to be a little bit nerdy to do what we do.
Yeah, you do.
Let me just say, as Josh RV, he's
also a
all nerd. I think Hunter, RV Hunter, I think he's pretty well a nerd too.
Yeah. So see, we all got to stick together.
Yeah. Josh, Matt and Will, I think they are too.
Yeah. All right. Well, I am sitting here on the theater seat, so this is what the angle is. Now, I am short. I'm only 5'2", but this is kind of what the angle is going to look like looking at your TV. So it's really not a bad angle at all. Now, Alliance does atrium windows, so you have all these great windows, and we're going to show you the one behind us here in just a second. Then you've got this really nice dinette, no legs under it, so you don't have to worry about hitting your knees. And this will make some additional sleeping, so if you have some kids with you, this is a great place, I was going to say to stash them, I guess that's not the word I need to use, to accommodate them. How's that? Then you've got storage down below, and while I'm sitting here pointing in this direction, I'll go ahead and show you your AC unit up here, and super nice light package in here. It's really nice. And as a side note, if you guys are interested, you can actually order this unit with table and chairs instead of a dinette.
Yeah.
Just thought you might want to know. All right, we're just going to go ahead and make this turn here and go around the back. Solid surface in here, which is very impressive in a travel trailer. Not all manufacturers give you solid surface in a travel trailer. Huge storage up here.
Love this.
Yeah. And now your windows down here, of course, they are going to be below your cabinets, but this is going to give you some really nice natural light in here. The silverware drawer, I love that it's kind of a double-decker drawer, so you can access the whole thing. Nice deep drawers. You do have undermount lighting under there. Very good storage across the top and above your microwave. This is going to be a little bit smaller microwave, but hey, it'll heat up those leftover biscuits and pop you a bag of popcorn.
This is about the size we have.
Yeah, this is about the size of ours. And it works fine. I mean, I'm not cooking a turkey in it by any means. Yet.
Okay.
Underneath, you got plenty of room under there for a garbage can and some more great drawer storage.
I'm jealous of all these drawers.
I know, I do too. Huge pots and pans drawer. Your microwave turntable is in there. And this is going to be a 3-burner cooktop with the oven. Again, solid surface. I mean, I love that Southaven stages their stuff. Look at these cute little salt and pepper shakers. Cute. We're going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge here in your slide. And these are going to be flush floor slides in here, so you're not going to hit your toes when you're getting into the refrigerator. And it's resealing itself or something.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, now they give you a little bit taller slide room in here. You can't get too tall in a travel trailer, but this one is actually very impressive. You've got your theater seating here. The arm here in the middle will actually pull down and give you some storage for your cups.
Oh, I thought them right there might move, but they didn't.
I don't think they open, but anyway, so you have your lots and lots of cup holders, blackout shades. a rent. Again, just really, really good windows in here. Now, down here, I always call this area a coffee bar. You can use it for whatever, I suppose. Really nice storage up above it. You've got light under here. There's a plug-in over here behind the little camper.
There we go.
That is so cute.
Oh, that is so cool.
And this is solid surface over here too, so they don't skip out on you. Two really good sized drawers. Your fuses are going to be down here out of the way. And some more great storage. And actually that counter right down there, those cabinets down there would be perfect to put your coffee maker in while you're traveling.
And we are Starlink prepped.
It is prepped. Yes, it is. There's your cable already run out there. And in this pantry area, they give you pull-out drawers so you can reach the back.
That is
very nice.
That is very good.
It is. It really, really is.
Yeah.
Alliance is going to put your heating ductwork into the cabinet so there's not any in the floor. The color on this, again, it is sort of gray, but it is going to lean more toward the warm gray. It's not the stark gray. I do think I pointed out the AC, but if I didn't, there it is again.
All your controls.
And they give you buttons. Moving into the bathroom. Now, the ever famous height, Jeremy is 6 feet tall, so there is a skylight in here.
All by myself.
Keep that up, you will be all by yourself.
All right.
Okay. They give you these hooks. Love these because they pop up out of the way when you don't need them.
Ooh.
And there's not a very big step up getting into that shower, which is great. Porcelain foot flush toilet.
Soft close.
With a soft close lid.
Well, I don't think I can get in.
Maybe it's just the lid.
Nope, there it goes.
It's the lid, not the seat. Soft close.
The seat
lid.
and lid.
Well, anyway, maybe we did it wrong. Mirrored medicine cabinet up here. Very good size medicine cabinet. They do give you solid surface in the bathroom too. Again, something that you don't see a lot in travel trailers. 3 very nice sized drawers and a great place under here that you could stash a wastebasket if you need it.
This is so cool.
It is very nice. And give you a linen closet.
I like
This is going to be shared with the bathroom. With the bedroom. But it is really good access. So yes, this is going to get our coveted Golden Plunger Award. And if you are in need of anything to clean your toilet, inside, outside tanks, check out Liquefied. Look in our description down below. There's going to be a link to their site so you can see all of their wonderful products. And we have a 20% coupon code, so please take advantage of that. That 20% comes in handy. Now, moving here into your bedroom. Yes, I'm going to point this out right off the bat. This is a camp queen. So it is short, but guys, look how much space you have at the end. So a regular queen is going to be about 4 inches longer than this, so you would still have good space in here.
Hey.
Nice storage underneath with a little extra movable shelf tray. Now here around the top you have all kinds of storage. This of course is convertible. You can take that shelf out if you need to. It has hanging. It is going to give you a nightstand with USB-C power. You have your own reading light and a drawer, and you're going to get this on both sides. So the closet, I'm pretty sure, let me check just to be sure. Yes, same kind of closet on this side, and the drawer down here.
And you do have the hitting storage there.
Yes, it is. It lifts up just like that. You may be able to do that side better.
Yeah, on both sides.
Yeah. Okay, this is what makes this one just absolutely amazing. You have got a wardrobe on a slide out. So if you remember seeing this on the outside, this was the slim rack slide that we pointed out. So it has hanging up here. They give you a little fireplace. It's long and narrow and it is super cute, and it's going to be really nice for those cooler mornings. And then they give you storage drawers, so you have 4 drawers down here. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be the short queen. I don't know. I mean, we could probably make it work, but
Yeah.
yeah. But hang on.
Okay.
Come on, Cletus. We're not finished yet.
All right.
It's got a second AC up here, and as if this wonderful wardrobe slide wasn't cool enough, hold on.
And you notice I did take my shoes off when I got on that bed.
Yes, because that's the polite thing to do. Then you also have this, and this was the area that was shared with the bathroom. So you can leave it as is, or as you see that it is prepped for either a combo unit, or I think you could probably fit this with a stackable. I think.
Probably so.
I think you can.
Yeah.
Definitely a combo
Well,
unit.
I mean,
for
all
sure.
of these are removable. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, okay, this wardrobe slide over here,
That is awesome.
that is an amazing selling point for this one. Now guys, if you want to add a TV back here in the bedroom, it'll go right up here on this wall. All of your connections are already in place. And
then having that second AC in here. Oh.
yes. Hey, it is, let's see, what are we in? The 3rd week? We're in the 4th week of June.
Yeah.
It's already bumping 90s here.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, that second AC is important. So, we want to hear from you guys. What do you think about this one? Hey, tell us what state you're in, and what's some really good campgrounds close to you guys.
Yeah. What state are you watching us from, and what country?
Yeah.
And I know a few of our subscribers. I know where y'all guys live. All right, everybody. That sounded terrible too,
That
didn't it?
sounded creepy. We don't know exactly.
I'm sorry,
where you
Doug.
live.
I didn't mean to. I won't come and see you. Okay, thank you.
We know the general area.
Yeah. All right, everybody. If you like this Alliance Delta with this beautiful rear kitchen, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.